back to our series. I am Fatin from Avari Technologies. So, in this series, I will show you how to schedule turn on and turn off. It's very simple and easy. What you need to do is just go to the more and find setting system. Click on it and here we go. You can see the system at the left. Just click on it. Now, you just need to find the power status. Okay, now if you want to turn on the power on, click here. Also, you can turn on auto sleep and you can adjust it from 1 minute up to 90 minutes. You also can turn on the auto power off by clicking if no signal from 1 to 90 or even after sleep. Seems like that, from 1 up to 90. You also can schedule power on and power off by clicking plus button. So now I will set for the power on from 9 on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And then I will set for the power off at 5. Just click on save. Okay, bye!